At this convenience store, the security camera captured the clerk saving the baby from the mother, right before the mother collapsing on the ground from having a seizure. When this elderly woman was having a difficult time crossing the street, a young man in a motorcycle stops in front of the busy traffic to let her pass. A desperate woman in need of cash enters a jewelry store to sell the ring that was given to her by her mother. The jeweler understood her situation, so he gave her the money for the ring and still told her to keep it. When this archer was about to shoot, his bow suddenly malfunctioned. When it got to his opponent's turn, he chose not to play, which would be unfair to his opponent whose bow stopped working. When this waitress was just trying to do her job, a lovely customer at the table gave her lots of cash, which made her day. The fighter in the white shorts, instead of finishing his opponent off, he taps out in order to save the losing opponent from further physical injury. A man who received multiple alerts from a security camera after a young boy kept cycling on his driveway, he decided something needed to be done, so he drew him a racetrack. This stranded young shark was close to dying until the rescue team dragged him by the tail back to the ocean. In a house fire, a small kitten was found laying on the floor with barely any oxygen. The kitten was saved and revived by the fireman. When a baby goat was crying, trying to stay above the water not to drown, a pig quickly came to the rescue to try and save it from drowning. A woman in the street who was selling strawberries to people passing by, one of the driver gave her money for all the strawberries and still told her to keep them. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like my style of commentary on videos. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.